Hello everybody and welcome back to Reps. My name is Kim and we are going to do the unboxing of this Xever 7 Pro rugged phone. It's a sub-partner of the Ulefone, which is I have here, which is the Ulefone Power Armor 26. Okay, so I got this one. Okay, it's pretty cool too. So now I got I bought this X-Level 7 Pro rugged one. Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing in front of you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to put the camera closer for you guys to see it better. Okay, so let's unbox this. So you can see it's still brand new. I just got it yesterday. Okay, so let's unbox this. Really excited. Got it yesterday. Here you go. Unboxed it. Okay, yeah. So you can see the box. So the rugged one X-Lever Pro. It's IP68, IP69K proof, thermal by Flare. Okay, it's built-in glare flash, eSIM ready, 16.67 and 120 megahertz OLED display. Okay, MediaTek Dimension 7025 5G and 512 gigabyte ROM. The camera is 5 megapixels and 64 megapixels rear camera, and they have two batteries. Okay, inside it's swappable. Okay, it's the batteries will be 5500 mAh swappable battery and NFC. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, and I'm gonna move the camera closer, so don't go away, guys. Okay guys, this is the rugged one X-Level 7 Pro, Ulefone's new beast under rugged one brand, rugged, smart, and built for the extremes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do is let's unbox it and check the accessories, the power on it, to see what makes this phone stand out. Okay, let's unbox. Whoa, cool. Okay, so as you can see, this is the phone. Okay, so here's the box. Okay, let's take this out here. So excited. Okay, how do we take this out? This is a pure unboxing. Okay, this is the phone. Okay, let's start with the specs. Okay, yes, okay, let's take this out here. So this is the phone. Let's step this out. Okay, before we unbox phone, this will be the phone here. Let's open it. Oh, so excited. It's lighter compared to the Power Armor 26. Way lighter. Okay. So look at that. So it's as you can see, it's 1P68 and 1P69. It's waterproof, shockproof. It has a thermal. Okay, imaging. Okay, built-in glare light. So this is a flashlight here. Okay, so you can also use the eSIM if you don't want to use the physical SIM. You can use the eSIM. This is the what it calls SD card, and you can do two SD mini SIM cards. Okay, so the size of the screen is 16.67 and it's 120 hertz of OLED display. So the chip you use is MediaTek. Okay, and ROM is 512 gigabytes of ROM. So the cameras will be 5 megapixels to 64 megapixels rear camera, and the battery, which is something special about this because you can swap the battery. So the battery is 5500 mAh swappable battery, and then has this NFC. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. beautiful. So before, let's turn this on. Nice. So I'll set it up later. Okay, English, United States, start. Okay, so I haven't, let's skip that. Searching for Wi-Fi. Okay, set it off. Fine, continue. Okay. Okay, I haven't set it up yet. Okay, it's pretty new. Okay, so I'm just gonna describe the phone. As you can see, the tip of the corner of the phone. Okay, it's what do you call it? Reinforced corner. As you can see, all reinforced corner here. See there, reinforced corners. Okay, the textures of the grip and the serious camera module. I'll set the phone aside and now we'll check what else is in the box. Okay, so what you have in the box will be the let's see what we have here. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, so let's set it up. What's here? Put it all out. Put it there. Okay. Okay, so here will be the USB-C cable. So it's thick and rugged. It's okay. So then so here will be the fast charging power brick. Okay, so we'll test that later. So it's 33 watts. Okay. Okay. So this one will be the SIM tool. So our quick guide lay strap. Sorry. This is the strap. So extra protections. Okay, so here will be the user's guide, thermal imaging manual, how to use, user's guide, and this one is the screen protector. Okay, it's pretty cool. They give you a screen protector. Okay, okay, now let's look at this one. So this will be the cover. So you can change the different types of cover here. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, and another Xever 7 series user's manual guide and warranty card. That will be nice. And what do we have here? Okay. Let's unbox this. Okay, this will be the charger. So what's special about this charger is it also comes with the extra battery. So let's pull it out. How do you pull this out? Yeah. Okay, pull that, you're able to charge. And you use this, it's like a guitar pick, and you can charge your phone there. Okay, you can see, and at the same time you can charge the extra batteries there. Okay, I'm going to show you how to charge the battery. So so what's cool about this phone is it has what do you call this, 2 batteries, which is 5508 mAh. So, and the back here will be the cover. So when you take it out, okay, so you get one of these things here to take it out here. Okay, then you So see, you have about 172 seconds countdown when you take it out. See, so let's take the battery out. How do you pull it out? Yeah, pull here. Okay, basically put it out. And there, you take it out. The battery is out, and it's still on. Okay, you can still see it's still on, and you can change while you're changing the battery. The phone is still on there, and you can replace it with different covers. This is a plain black gray, and it is the like what do you call this, urban camouflage type of cover. So then after that, you press it and seal it, and that's it. Then it's on. You can Netflix. Pretty cool, huh, guys? So pretty nice. It's a pretty cool phone, and the main camera is 50 megapixel, and thermal is 62 megapixels. Okay, so you also have the flashlights here. Okay, so if you wanna check how the flashlight works, let's take a look there. See, the light is on. Then you can turn the light down. And okay, the side button feels really solid, you know, it's not like that. Okay, so the side button there, you can do this one, you can do a quick programmable key. This one will be the power button. This will be the volume, okay, up and down. Okay, you can see, and this will be another programmable button there. Okay, so at the back you get the USB port where you charge, and you get the speaker and the mic there. You have the earphone jack, and you have the flashlight. Okay, so this is the Ulefone Power R26, which is a sub-brand of the what do you call this, RugOne Xever 7 Pro. So they're kind of like joined together, and then they came out with this new brand, which is a new phone. Just came out this month on the market. They've been advertising it for a few months already. So basically, it uses the latest Android. Okay, so and what I can say is basically it's just the same as any Android phone, but it's a bit more faster. It's the thing that is very special about this. It has a swappable battery. Okay, when you remove the battery, it gives you a few minutes to be able to, few seconds to be able to swap your battery. So basically, when you remove the battery, the phone is still on, and it gives you a few minutes of time for you to swap the battery, and then your phone will not turn off. So each battery is about 5,500 mAh. Okay, so this is the battery there. You got swappable cover. So now I'm using the camouflage, urban camouflage, and you can also swap it to this really nice finished back cover, battery cover of the 7 Pro. Okay, so another thing special about this one, let me get is the charger. Okay, so the charger, so you don't see much of this. It's all, so you get to able to charge your phone, and also you're also able to charge your battery at the same time. So let's put that there. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, you can charge that. It comes with, let's get this one here. It comes with this really powerful 33 watts of what do you call this? Well, a charger. Okay, so it's a USB-C type. Okay, to USB-C type. And you use this. It looks, this Type C cable looks pretty solid, okay, and strong. Okay, so Type C to Type C. Okay, So that's basically what you have with this phone, and you get this strap. Okay, so you get more secure when you're on the go active. So you strap it on and you strap it on their phone, so when it falls. But actually this phone is pretty rugged, so it's drop proof, waterproof, and shock proof, and dust proof as well. Okay, so I don't want to go like with my other videos that I did with I had Power Armor 13, Power Armor 18T ULA phone. Okay, what I did is I put it on the test. I put in what do you call this? I freeze in ice water. I dropped it. I put it underwater. But with this one, I'm not going to do it anymore. Okay, so this phone kind of like it's. I mean, they already tested and proven that if it's under ULA phone, Power Armor, it's a sub brand. I mean, it's guaranteed. It's a very rugged phone. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna enjoy setting this up. I'm gonna transfer all the data from my 26 to the Xever 7 Pro. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Then from there, I'm gonna enjoy this new phone of mine. It's way much lighter. You can see the different thickness from my current phone, which is the ULA phone 26. Okay, so this one's pretty rugged. It's been through a lot. I dive with it, I swim with it, I was riding with it with my electric skateboard, I rode with my motorcycles, I dived with what they call the whale sharks, I surf, I went to the beach, everywhere. Okay, so this one is a bit more lighter, so it's more easy in my pocket. Okay, so it's not gonna, when I wear it, my pants will not drop down because of this one. It's heavy. Actually, I like the heavy. It feels really tough for me, but since they came out with this one, I kind of like fell in love with it, and this is gonna be my new phone. Okay, from now on, unless they come out with a new version, then I'll probably do an unboxing. Okay, guys. So, okay, so this is the RugOne Xever 7 Pro. Okay, guys. So I hope you like this video. It's pretty short. All the information description will be putting below of this video. Okay, if you have any questions, please do comment and like, subscribe, and press the notification button. And thank you again for watching. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Okay, so see you again next time, guys.